Now today we have a situation. The toilet locked by itself. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, the toilet lock is down. Well, apparently it is possible when the door is closed and the latch just fell down by itself. So the door is locked right now. You can stuff a card in between the door. So what you do, you put it like this and bring it up. Okay, there you go, and then it's unlocked. So there's a bit of a cushion here, and this is what that you can't see the latch. Okay, so basically what it means is actually basically when the latch comes down, okay, and it shows red, it locks. So just you put a card into here, you push it through like this, and then you slide it all the way up and you whack it up. Okay, that is what's actually happening. So this is the latch. Another DIY done.